Today, let us talk about different types of shares for trading and investing. Equity shares form the majority of shares issued by a company. These are transferable and actively traded in the share market. Holders of equity shares are exposed to the total risk as equity shares are affected by market fluctuations. Equity shares can be classified into voting and non-voting, bonus, sweat, and right shares. Voting shares provide voting rights to the shareholder in a general meeting. Bonus shares are free shares and are also called as stock dividends. Sweat equity shares are shares gifted to employees of a company who have shown exceptional dedication. Right shares are new shares offered to shareholders at a specific price for a particular time before the shares in question are opened for trading in the stock market. Equity shares can also be classified into dividend shares, value shares, and growth shares. Dividend shares refers to shares that are issued as dividend payments by companies. Growth shares refer to shares whose values increase rapidly, providing capital gains to investors. Value shares are shares that are traded at rates lower than the intrinsic value. These shares generally rise in price over time. Preference shares are the shares whose dividends are paid to the shareholders before the payment of common stockholders. These include cumulative, non-cumulative, participating, non-participating, convertible, non-convertible, and redeemable, non-redeemable shares. Cumulative preference shares are the shares whose benefits accumulate from one year to the next if not declared by the company. Non-cumulative preference shares are the opposite, with benefits expiring every year. Participating shares are shares that entitle stakeholders to receive any additional profits after the payments of dividends. Non-participating shares will have no additional benefits other than the dividend payments. Convertible shares can be converted into equity shares. Non-convertible shares, on the other hand, cannot be converted. Redeemable shares can be purchased back by a company for a fixed price and time. Non-redeemable shares do not come with such conditions. For more such information, follow ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.